Hello and welcome to my channel. So as you already know from the title, I am going to be testing out the Kylie Cosmetics Halloween collection 2018. And I know you're probably like, Halloween was ages ago and it's basically Christmas, but I got this collection when I was away on holiday, but I ordered it praying that it would be here before I went away and that this video could go up in October. But due to it coming over from America to the UK, there was problems and basically it got here late and I was on holiday and I literally got back from holiday yesterday. But this collection was so cool, I did not want to miss out doing a video, so I hope you like it. This is also a first impressions because I've not tried anything out from Kylie Cosmetics before. I know it's mad, but because you have to ship it over from America, it kind of stopped me from buying it. But then when I saw this collection, I was like, excuse me. This is me in a collection, so I needed to get it. If you would like to see how I created this makeup look and what I think about Kylie Cosmetics as a brand and also this collection, then please keep watching. So firstly, I'm going to talk about the products, talk about the swatches, and then we're going to start with a makeup tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the eyeshadow palette because that's like my favourite makeup product, if that makes sense. So the eyeshadow palette is this. I have looked all over it and I don't actually think the palette has a name. It just says Kylie Jenner Pressed Powder Palette. That's the only thing it says, so I don't actually think it has a name, but the shadows inside are named. If you follow Kylie Cosmetics or Kylie Jenner on Instagram, you probably already knew what all this looked like because like I said, it was a while ago. All of the packaging in this collection is actually 3D and you do get some 3D glasses in the package when you got it. I don't know if it was because I got the whole collection I got the glasses or you get them with whatever you buy, so I'm not sure about that. But this is the packaging of the eyeshadow palette and it looks like a mummy and it has the classic winking eye, but the eyes are in 3D if you can see. And obviously as I am obsessed with Halloween, I love Halloween, I am going to be keeping all of this packaging because I love it so much. It's just so beautiful. So actually inside when you open it, it's a purple backing with some skulls on it, what I love. And then boop, here is the eyeshadow palette, and again it's like the typical eyes with like the drips. I think she has that on all of her palettes or like majority of them, but the drips in this are silver foil. This is what it looks like. I've swatched it already. I've got all the swatches up my arm, so it has been used a little bit if you can see, and it's got a huge mirror on it, what I absolutely love because you can see your whole face in it instead of just like a part of your face. This is the first one and it is called Nightmare, Batshit Crazy, Main Boo, Hey Pumpkin, Best Witches, Howl Oween, Sweet Poison, Hex on My Ex, and Freak On. The colours are just gorgeous, especially for like the Halloween season and really kind of going into Christmas as well. The metallics are really, really gorgeous. The only thing though is I expected them to be super buttery, but they weren't as buttery as I thought, and the swatches are a lot lighter than I thought they would be, but that doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean that they're going to be bad in the eye or anything like that. The names are not on the palette, they're on the back, and they have them in a diagram on the back, but when you're kind of looking at them and flipping them over, you don't really know what order it goes in. The way I am judging it, how the order is because one of them is called Hey Pumpkin, and I'm going to be guessing that that is the bright orange one, so that is the only way I'm kind of figuring it out. So the first one I swatched is Nightmare. In the palette it looks like a dirty gold, but it has like a green and a bit of a purple reflecting it. Then next we have Batshit Crazy, and it's this really, really yellow gold, almost to the point that I would say is a yellow metallic eyeshadow. This cool toned brown with a little bit of glitter in it, and that is called Main Boo. Next we have Hey Pumpkin, which is the brightest eyeshadow in this palette, and it is a really gorgeous orange actually. After Hey Pumpkin we have Best Witches, and it's this really gorgeous, kind of like a black eyeshadow or a very, very dark grey eyeshadow with a gold and silver shimmer in it. Next, Halloween, and it is basically a transition shade. Freak On, like the base of this is like a brown eyeshadow, but it has a really warm gold over the top of it when it's on the skin. That's kind of how it looks, but it is basically just a really brown toned gold. I hope this is making sense. Like, I haven't filmed in such a long time, and now I'm having to like describe eyeshadows and try and make sure, like, I didn't want to just say, oh, it's a gold, do you know what I mean, or it's a dirty gold. But yeah, it is a dirty gold basically. It's really brown undertoned gold. So next we have a purple eyeshadow, and this is called Hex on My Ex, which is a really cute name actually. And this is a really dark, cool toned purple. And the last one is, I don't know, like, I understand the colour in this palette, but for me personally, I don't know how I would use this or when I would use this. I say that, but then later on I might be like, I love it. This is called Sweet Poison. It's basically like a grey. It's like a khaki colour actually. Very more onto the grey of a khaki colour than the green, if that makes sense. But it's like a greeny grey. So next we have these. And these are the Kylie Jenner glitter eyes, and they're basically liquid eyeshadows. So the packaging on this, I don't actually think they're 3D. So it's a purple packaging and it has a spider web across it, but it's a green metallic spider web. It is honestly stunning. The packaging and kind of the theme of this collection obviously really pushed me to getting it, and I would love to get the Christmas collection, but it's a lot of money. So that's why it's taken me this long to try out Kylie Cosmetics. But I think this is a really good test though, because I have like practically like everything apart from like the concealers. I think I have a good range of what she does. So yeah, let's get back to the liquid eyeshadows. So the first one I have got is this one. It looks like it's in a liquid lipstick tube or like container. Kylie on it, and then at the back says Kylie Jenner. And this is called Witch and Famous. Bring that out, and it kind of has like a lip gloss applicator. It's like the fluffy type flat ones. What again I really like, because I think it will be really easy to create cut creases and shapes with this. These I was honestly shook by, because they are so pigmented and so glittery, like, because obviously these are metallic. This is like a coppery colour, and the next one I got is a gold, and they are so pigmented. They are so opaque, like I could not see my skin underneath it after just one swipe. I swatched them and let them dry on my arm, and I was going around my day-to-day business, and they did not smudge at all. Lasted amazing, and considering it's a liquid, you would think maybe it could be a bit tacky or transfer a bit or crease, but I really do not think we're going to have that with this, because I can rub my fingers over these when they're dry and nothing comes off. So the next colour I got is called Hello Gorgeous, I think that's how you pronounce it. Like, next I have a highlighter, which was one of the things that I was most excited about. So this is what it came in, and it is a matte black packaging with little ghosts over them. They're literally the cutest little things. This is what the highlighter looked like. It's a black gloss with Kylie written on it, and this is the Kylie Jenner Pressed Illuminating Powder, and this is in Go Ghost. And I just love, if you can see like the print in it, and it's this gorgeous really light highlight, but it has a gold and a green reflecting, a bit like what I think this has. You're going to mainly see gold, but it does have bits of green in there. Her lipsticks, and I got 4 of these, as you can see, and again on this packaging it's 3D. It's just really cool. I think these were the most effective with the 3D glasses. It just says Kylie on the box, and then you have like a vampire mouth here, and then the lips here as well, and they just look really, really cool. When you open it as well, it says Boo here. It's just a black case, and round to the bottom it says Kylie Jenner. And the first lipstick I'm going to be talking about is called Creep It Real, and it is a really gorgeous nude colour, Monster Metallic. And this is like the most interesting one, because I do not have a lipstick like this, and I don't actually think I've seen a lipstick like this. And it is a khaki green metallic lipstick. I think I'm going to be using this a lot over Christmas. Next lipstick we have is called Haunt It. And again, this is a metallic lipstick, but this is a bright orange, and when I say orange, like, you could not get any more orange than this. The last lipstick is called Spider Bite, and this is a matte purple. It's just a really gorgeous purple, like a plummy. So I did get a lip kit. This is 3D as well. If you can see, it has bats in the background. They're 3D with the glasses, and then you obviously have the signature lips with the drips, but these lips have vampire teeth in, and the drips is black glitter. Kylie in neon green. This is called Bite Me. In this kit we have Bite Me lip liner, and then you have the liquid lipstick, and it's just a gorgeous red. It's just like a vampire red, classic red. The last thing is my favourite thing out of this whole collection, which I did not think it would be, and it's a lip gloss. It is the Kylie Jenner Spooky Glitter Gloss. Again, this packaging is 3D. It has skeletons all over it, and it was just really cool with the glasses. I wish I could show you. This is called Handsome Devil. So it's this gorgeous nude lip gloss, but the glitter in it is incredible. It's like a yellow greeny reflect. It's just stunning. The glitter in it is incredible. I do not know what I'm going to go for on my lips, but I've been talking for so long. I need to start diving into the stuff and using it and testing it out. I'm going to be putting a concealer over my eyelids to prime them first. Do I zoom you in a bit? Yeah, I'm going to zoom you in. There you go. Don't get you too close, you'll be scared. So I'm going to set my eyeshadow with a translucent powder, and I'm using the one by Fenty, and I've seriously hit pan with this. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to be using is called Halloween, and it's that warm brown kind of transition colour that I mentioned, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease as a transition shade. So this is a really gorgeous shade, and it's going on really nicely and blending really nicely actually. It's really easy to blend. I'm going to go straight in with Hey Pumpkin. We're going to go bold. We are going to go crazy because that's what I love to do. A small tapered blending brush, and this is by Luxy Beauty, and this is, yeah, the small tapered blending brush. That's actually what it's called. And I'm going to start by putting that in the crease. So I'm starting off by literally placing it in the crease, and then I'm going to go in with my blending brush that I used for the first eyeshadow, and then I'm going to blend it out. For this I will be creating a cut crease, as you probably already know. So it does not matter if it goes on the lid or anything like that, because I'm going to be covering it up in a minute. Going to go in with that really bright gold, and that is the Batshit Crazy eyeshadow. So I'm going to place it on the inner corner here, and as you can see, it just really brightens up the whole eye. That is a gorgeous shade. That is so pigmented, and I'm literally having to do like no work on this. Gorgeous. Right, so I'm just going to go back in with that small tapered brush just to help blend them in together. Next I'm going to go in with a liquid eyeshadow. This is the one that is called Witch and Famous. So it is basically like scrape a lot of it off because I don't want it to be really thick on my eyelid. But I'm just going to basically create a cut crease. You can make a gorgeous eyeliner out of this. So I am actually going to change and use like a brush that I would normally use. So I've got a more like detailed flat brush that's here, just to get that crisp line edge of like a cut crease. And then I'm going to fill in the lid around it, because if you see, like, I didn't bring it right down. So I'm just going to go over with Hey Pumpkin there, and then on the outer edge as well. What I'm now going to go into is Freak On, and it's that dark kind of brown gold, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Don't know if you're really going to see much of it, but oh no, you can. She's pigmented. Right, I don't know what to do on the bottom lash line. I feel like I want to do a purple, but I'm not sure. I'm going to start with this one, which is called Nightmare. It's that weird eyeshadow that in the palette it looks quite dark, but then on the skin it was like a brown with a really cute like reflect in it, like a greeny reflect in it. So I'm going to use that on the bottom lash line for now. Especially like on the inner corner, I feel like that would be cute. Or you can see that green reflect. I don't think you can see it on camera that well, but That will be cute just on the lid. That's a cute lid eyeshadow. I'm going to go into that purple shade. I'm going to get this fluffy brush and just blend that bottom lash line out. I'm going to go back with that yellow and just kind of bring that down into the corner a little bit more. I'm going to put a black eyeliner pencil in my waterline. The thing that's thrown me off the most is the purple eyeshadow does not look purple in my eye, like, at all. Like, not purple at all. I'm not getting purple. How many times can I say purple? So I'm going to put some mascara on, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to be putting that on my bottom lash line, because I am going to put the highlighter on. Hello. Now I'm going to put it on my brow bone. That looks really cute. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 lip pencil in 1993. And hopefully this works well with it. So I'm going to be putting Monster on. I really like it. Whoever thought that a metallic green lip that I would actually like? Like, you never think lipstick green, you know? These lipsticks smell amazing, actually, and they're so creamy. So overall, I've got to say, like, I love Kylie Cosmetics. Like, excuse me? Like, I did not think that the eyeshadows come out as pigmented, because when I swatched them, they weren't as creamy as kind of other shadows that I've been using recently are. Let me know what you think about this collection, because there are some very kind of different shades and different colours in here. If there is anything still on her website, I will link it in the description down below. Again, I'm sorry that this came out late, but as you know, as I've said in like every video, I was away for Halloween and the parcel arrived when I was on holiday, which I was gutted about because I was hoping that it would arrive just before I went. So I am sorry that this is late, but I could not film a video on this collection because it's so cool. If you like this video, please let me know by pressing the thumbs up button down below, because it really helps me and my channel out. And also let me know down in the comments what your favourite product was in this, or just like what you think about this makeup. If you would like to see more makeup related content, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, because this Christmas is gonna be as crazy as this Halloween, I'm hoping, on my channel. So I have so much planned. So if you do not want to miss any of that, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you do not miss a single upload. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.